Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And in this video, I will talk about some text functions in Microsoft Excel. And those functions are actually the left function, right function, mid function, and concatenate function. So in this video, it will learn how to extract a specific parts of text using left to right and mid functions, and how to combine text from different cells using the concatenate function. So let's get it started. So at first I want to share some information about text functions. And text functions in Excel are designed to manipulate or extract information from text data. And if I show you here in this video, we'll cover only four type of functions, and I will show you step by step, and I will use one by one functions and show you how it works. So at first I will add a simple datasets for demonstrations. So let's get it started. If I add here the full name of the person, and now I will extract the first name. I want to extract, and then I want to extract the first name, and after that I can actually extract middle characters. Let's say mid function, mid characters of names, and after that I will join the whole name, join the names I will add. And if I add some names like John Smith, and after that I will add, let's say, Jan Carey, and after that I will add, let's say, Sarah, Joy, let's say. So I will highlight my text, and then I will press Ctrl T. So this is my simple datasets. At first I will adjust myself a little bit, and then I will select this, and I will press Ctrl T, and you have to click this box which has my table has headers, and if I press OK, then it will be like this. So here, if I want to extract the first name of this full name, I will use the left function. Actually, the left function extracts a specific number of characters from the beginning of the text string. So if I call the left function, and if I click here, and then I will go to the function arguments, and as you can see in the function arguments that this left function actually returns the specified numbers of characters from the start of text string. So I will select this text, and I want to extract the first name which has 4 characters. So I will add here 4 characters, and if I press OK, as you can see, it's John, it's Jane, and it's Sarah. But for these sections, I have to add this here some information. Let's say what happens in the section if I add here 5 characters, let's say enter, then it will actually gives me that original result. And as you can see that this names has 4 letters, but side there are 5 letters when I use 5 in my formula. Then it actually takes this space also, though this space has empties, that's why it is not appearing anything else. But you have to maintain a simple, you have to maintain the same character numbers when you want to extract from a list. If I add here 4, then it will apply for other options, and all are applied by four letters. If I select 5, in this case I have selected 5, so I want to accept 5 letters, so it applied for all the other full names. After that, I will add second functions, which is called write function. As you can see, if I click here and I will go to the function argument, as you can see, the write function returns the specified numbers of characters from the end of a text string. That means it is extract number from the end of the string. So I will select the text, and then I want to extract, let's say, in this case this is actually fifth. In this case there is fourth and this is fifth. So let's say I will select the fifth, and if I press OK, as you can see, it appears for the other full names. So this is me, this is Carrie, this is Joy, and after that I will go to the mid function, and mid function actually extracts characters from the middle of a text string. So at first I will call the mid function, and I will go to the function arguments, and it returns characters from the middle of text string given a string position and length. Let's say in these sections I want to know the position of age. So let's say what happens, or let's say if I make condition, like let's assume I want characters from the second to the fifth position. So here I will select here, and I will select the text, and then if I go to the function tab, as you can see, it is showing that it is start numbers. So I will add the start number, which will be 2. This number is the position of first character you want to extract. So I want to extract from the 2 and number of characters. I want to extract, like if I want to go to the fifth position, so this is the second position, and this is exactly the fifth position. So number of characters, which is 4, let's say this is 4. As you can see, and if I add, or let's say if I add 4 or 5th, then it will actually pause out that the 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 fifth position. So if I press OK, as you can see, it gives me the result of the mid characters of these full names. And after that I will use the concatenate function, and it is important that there are two types of function, which is concatenate function and both the same. And if I go to the function argument, that it joins several text strings into one string. Let's say I will select this cell, and I will select this cell for the last name, and if I press OK, it gives me the result of all the other options as well. So this is the process. You can apply text functions into your spreadsheet, and in this video we have covered the left or right mid functions for extracting parts of string, and as well as I have used concatenate functions to combine text. So I hope you will be able to do with your own and follow these steps, and you can use these methods into your own datasets. So this is all for today. In the next video I will discuss the other exciting things.